California's lemon law is one of the strongest in the nation, designed to protect consumers by requiring car companies to repurchase or replace vehicles that suffer from warranty defects that cannot be fixed in a reasonable number of attempts. To be covered by the lemon law, your vehicle should be under manufacturer warranty, purchased or leased in California, suffer from a defect that could not be fixed in a reasonable number of attempts, usually as low as 2 repair attempts. So if you bought in California a vehicle that is a lemon, you are entitled to get monetary compensation, a lemon law buyback or replacement vehicle. Best of all, it won't cost you anything as all attorney fees and costs will be paid by the manufacturer. Having recovered over $100 million on behalf of California consumers, Joseph Kaufman and Associates brings unparalleled experience that no other lemon law firm can offer to help you win your lemon law case. To find out if your car is a lemon, call 626-250-0505 or visit lemonlawade.com for a free consultation.